Hey everyone, guys. Today we'll go through some quick tips on how to get off the Doordash waitlist and become an active dasher. So let's dive into what you need to do to basically speed up the process and actually start delivering. So first, guys, what you want to do is make sure that your driver's profile, okay, your Doordash profile is actually complete and all the information is accurate. Missing or incorrect details, guys, can delay your approval. Double check your name, address, phone number, and ensure that your background check information is complete and accurate, okay? Now, sometimes the wait list is longer in certain areas, right? So, to get approved faster, consider actually signing up for DoorDash in a neighboring city or area with less demand for dashers. This can sometimes, this can sometimes help you bypass the wait list, and once approved, guys, you can dash in other locations as needed, right? Now, DoorDash support actually can also be a helpful resource. You can actually reach out through the app or via the website to check on your waitlist status and express your interest. Sometimes a polite message to support can get your application reviewed a little bit quicker. Now, what you can also do is, guys, you need to keep an eye on your email or DoorDash app for any updates on your waitlist status. DoorDash will actually notify you when there's a spot open, so make sure you're checking regularly, guys, so you can confirm your availability right away, guys. Now, while you're actually waiting for DoorDash, you can also apply to other delivery services like Uber Eats, Grubhub, or Instacart. Many Dashers work on multiple platforms to actually maximize their earnings, and this way, you can still get started with deliveries while waiting for your DoorDash approval, guys. And that is it, guys. Getting off the DoorDash waitlist can sometimes take a while, but these tips might help speed things up. Best of luck, guys, and let us know in the comments if these tips worked for you. Make sure you like the video, and subscribe, guys, so I can see you in the next one.